Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we have started with the 20th block, which is Arctic Thunder region, which is the fourth climatic condition. Yes, and yesterday we have learned about the location and the climate of this region. The climate is very cold. Why? Because the sun rays are slanting towards these places. As they are slanting, they receive less sunlight. Sun's heat also it will be less, so the climate is cold. And also we have learned that location of this thunder region is in the northern hemisphere near the northern pole. Yes, so today in the second topic we are going to learn the people who live in this region, that is Inuit of Greenland. Okay, children. So please open your social content books and turn to page number 125. Okay, so there you can see a picture of a family, uh, an Inuit family of Greenland who lives in the Greenland. Okay, so we will learn how these people live in this region. Okay, Inuit is a tribe, okay, which lives in the thunder regions of Greenlands. You know Greenlands, isn't it, children? So here you can see Greenland. This is your Greenland, children. So this tribe lives here in this Greenland. Okay. And how do they live? So they live in the house made of ice and which is called as igloo. We already learned, isn't it, children? You already know the igloos. Yes. So as it is, as the land surface is completely covered with snow, they take the help of the snow and build their houses in this way, and this is called an igloo. Okay, and inside the igloo, if you see, children, you can experience the warmth and coziness. Okay, and in the igloo they burn the animal fat. Okay, so because of that animal fat, they light the lamps with the help of animal fat. Like here we use oil, isn't it, children? There they use animal fat because that creates a temperature, warmness in the igloo. Okay, and they wear warm clothes. Okay, they wear warm clothes so that they can withstand in that climatic condition. So from what they make these warm clothes, it's from the skin of seal. You know seal, children? So this is your seal. So when a seal dies, they take the skin of the seal and they make the clothes. In your content book also you can see how their dresses are, isn't it? How their clothes are. Yes. So with the help of the skin of the seal, they make their clothes warm. Okay, so that they can survive in that climatic condition. And these people are hunters. Okay, this tribe mostly depend on hunting. Okay, children. And what do they hunt? They hunt the seals and whales, the water animal. Okay, they hunt these animals and also walrus. So they hunt these animals and they lead their life. And with what they hunt? With the harpoon. So this is the harpoon, children. Okay, so this, with the help of this harpoon, they kill those animals like walrus, whales and seals for their meat so that they can survive in that region. Okay, so, and we also learned that the land is completely covered with sand, isn't it? So, to move from one place to another, they use the sledges which are pulled by the husky dogs. Okay, and this is your kayaks. So, when the ice melts, okay, it becomes water. So at that time, to hunt these animals like whales, seals and walrus, they use this boat. Okay, this boat, to move from one place to another, so that they can hunt the animals. Okay, children. So these boats are called as kayaks. Okay, children, so that they can move in that water. When the ice melts, it becomes water, isn't it? So they cannot walk on the water. On the snow land, they can walk, but in the water, they can't walk. So they use these boats to hunt the animals. Okay, and they move on the sledges like this. Okay, can you see the sledges? Yes, so in this way they lead their life. And now, as we have progressed in many ways with the help of technologies, these people also are using different ways so that they can live a better life. Okay, not to struggle so much in that climatic region. So they are using the motor boats instead of kayaks. They are using motor boats when it is in the summer, so that they can travel in that water to hunt the animals. Okay, and also to hunt the animals they use harpoons, isn't it, children? So instead of that, they started using rifles, the guns, we can say. Okay, and also they started living in the wooden houses. So they build the igloos, yes, and nowadays they started building the wooden houses also. Okay, so in this way they have used the technology so that they can survive more comfortably in that region, in that cold region. Okay, children, so this is about our topic for today. Children, I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them, write it in your classwork, and also underline in your content book. And while you are reading the topic in the content book, underline the other words which you find it difficult. You can add it in your keywords also, write it in your classwork and learn it. Okay, coming to your question answers. Why do people live in igloos in Arctic region? Why would a house made of canvas not suitable for them? Because igloos, when they construct, children, when they are constructing, they make sure that in the igloo they can experience some warmness. Okay, if the house is built with the canvas, the tent, the cloth, the tents, canvas, the tents which are made of canvas, canvas is a cloth, isn't it? So, if they make it with that, they cannot experience the warmth. They have to undergo the cold weather of that region, isn't it? So, that's why they prefer to build the igloo so that they can warm themselves. Okay, so that is the reason they don't prefer the house made of canvas, they prefer the igloo. So, the answer is people in Arctic thunder region live in houses made of ice to keep themselves warm in the cold. A house made of canvas will not suit them because it will not protect them from the warmth. Okay, so write this answer in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your next question, write 3 points on how the life of Inuit has changed from before. That means earlier how they used to be there, after the technology development, how they are living. So earlier they used to live only in igloos, isn't it? Now they are living in wooden houses. And they used to travel with the sledges which were pulled by the husky dogs, isn't it, children? So now they are using the motorboats. And to hunt the animals, they used to use the harpoons. Now they are using the rifles. Okay, so write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it, children. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 21, S2, living in Greenland. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the vegetation and wildlife of this region. Okay, so see you in the next class, children. Bye.